In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Google Chat. Sometimes, for various reasons, you might find yourself needing to clear your blocked list, perhaps to reconnect with someone or to simply manage your contacts better. Let's walk through how you can do this quickly and easily. To begin, you'll want to open Google Chat. You can do this by navigating to chat.google.com through your web browser. Alternatively, if you're already working within Gmail, you can open Google Chat directly from there. Both pathways will take you to the same Google Chat interface, allowing you to proceed with the steps ahead. Once you're in Google Chat, the next step is to access your settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see your profile picture. Clicking on your profile picture will bring up a small menu. In this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. This will redirect you to the main Google account settings, where you can adjust various preferences, including your blocked contacts. Now that you're in the settings for your Google account, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. From there, click on People and Sharing. This section is designed to help you manage the connections across your Google services, giving you control over who can interact with you. As you scroll down, you'll find an option labeled Blocked. Click on Blocked to open up a list of the people you've blocked. This list will show anyone you have restricted from contacting you across Google services, including Google Chat. The next step is to find the person you wish to unblock. As you look through the list, locate their name. Once you've found them, you'll see an Unblock option next to their name. Clicking this will initiate the process to remove them from your blocked list, effectively allowing them to message you once more. It's straightforward and takes just a moment to complete. Finally, if prompted, you may need to confirm that you wish to unblock this person. A confirmation step can sometimes appear to ensure that no unintentional changes are made, but a simple click will finalize your decision. And that's all there is to it. The person you unblocked will now be able to send you messages again, restoring that line of communication. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage who can contact you in Google Chat, keeping your connections up to date and intentional. Whether it's rekindling a conversation or maintaining a cleaner contact list, having this knowledge at your fingertips can be immensely helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.